Do you guys remember the other week when that wild biker gang invaded the mill? Yeah, that got me to thinking. It's time we get some security around here. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So all kidding aside, there's no camera gonna protect me from those kids. I gotta live with them every day and they're absolute menaces. But on a serious note, security has been something that's on my mind for quite a while around here. And well, you guys know how it goes. Got 10,000 other things going on and you just keep punting it to the back burner. Well, I had a little help to kick my butt into gear. A company called Reolink, which makes all kinds of security cameras, reached out to me. And they said, hey, we've been watching your channel, we love your content, and we think you and your audience can use our product. So I looked into it, and turns out they're absolutely right. What I'm about to show you is a pretty neat system. I know you guys are just like me. You got rural properties, you got businesses, you got campsites, you got cabins, you got farm buildings, and well, all that stuff has a lot of value. And if you're like me, you're not always around them. So for a long time, I've wanted a system here that just kind of lets me keep an eye on things. Particularly this time of year, as we're going into summer, we're spending a lot more time out on the farm. I'm not always here. So it's nice to just have a second set of eyes. The other thing for me, it kind of is going to work like a doorbell. If somebody shows up here and I don't know about it, well, guess what? I'm going to find out. Which, on a side note, please, I work by appointment. I've always worked by appointment. Don't just show up here. You know, I appreciate everybody. I'll make time for you, but it works out better for you and me if I know you're coming. Just a little side note there. So I've thought about using trail cameras in the past and all that stuff, but they're all clunky. They don't really integrate for one reason or another. Whether it be batteries or they require Wi-Fi, all the cameras I've loosely looked at just didn't fit the bill. Reolink makes a solution that is going to be perfect for me and hopefully is perfect for you. So this is the TrackMix LTE. So this is actually going to be solar paneled. This is a kit they sell with an included solar panel. We'll take a look at the solar panel first. And I'm going to put this on my building. So obviously there's a battery in the camera. I mean, this is not rocket science. The solar panel will charge the battery. So I don't have to worry about that. I had battery powered cameras at my house a few years ago and you had to charge the batteries. Well, guess what? That's great for the first month or two and then you stop charging the batteries. So this will be pretty much plug and play. I won't have to touch it. So that is a big win. You know, I know a lot of you guys are off grid, don't have power. I do have power here, so I could have hardwired something, but honestly, this is so much simpler. I don't have to run power lines. If the power goes out, I still have a camera. So this, to me, is the perfect solution, having the solar panel with it. And then the camera itself is actually pretty neat. Get rid of all this packaging stuff. So this is our actual camera unit. Sorry, this is hard to do one-handed. And that's going to mount on the wall. And what's neat, this camera actually pivots and tracks. So that's going to be fun to check that out. So obviously it's just going to screw into our wall and we'll do a quick setup. And like most things these days, it has an app on your phone that you control it with. So it's pretty seamless. And I'm sure some of you figured it out. LTE, it works on cellular data. So same as your cell phone. They do make models with Wi-Fi. If you have Wi-Fi at your location, I do not. So I opted for this model and it just saves me the headache of running Wi-Fi down to this building. And honestly, if you're off grid or something, it is the solution for you. Now, obviously data, just like your cell phone, is going to cost you a little bit of money. So you'll have to explore that on your own. Don't quote me on this. but I believe you can run these without data and it just records and then onto a memory card, and then you can still go back and view, kind of like the way a trail camera works. So if you don't need live notifications, stuff like that, you know, that's an option if you don't want to spend money on data. But for me, I think it's going to be well worth the investment. So let's go out and hang this thing and see what it can do. So obviously I'm going to do all my setup here on the ground before I hang it, just so, well, self-explanatory. Don't need to do it on a ladder. This honestly is dead simple. It's like most things these days, you just follow along on the app. They give you a quick start guide here. Literally everything you need is included. They include a SIM card. You get a certain amount of data for free. Then they have different plans if you're using their data. So they even give you a little SIM card removal tool. So I'm going to stick that in, button this up, and somewhere here, no, I'm not the most organized on this deal, they even give you little templates here for drilling, you know, mounting, which I'm just going on a wooden wall of my building, won't be hard. But if you're going into block or something like that, it's nice to have a little template. So pretty much everything is set up for you. Like most things these days, it's all on your phone. You just basically follow along through the app and it does most of the work for you. So this should be extremely simple for me with this template they give me. I'm just going to take 2 screws here. I'm going to put it here. They recommend 7 to 10 feet off the ground, so that falls right here, and I have a furring strip that'll catch nicely. I'm going to start my screws. Get rid of that. How about it? We're going to tighten that up, put in 2 more screws. So she's up. I put my solar panel above it. That was quick and easy, same thing. 3 screws. I angled it so it'd get the most sun exposure, plugged the 2 together. Obviously on a day like today, it's not doing much, but it said it only needs an hour or 2 a day to get a full charge. So pretty easy setup. They even have straps included if you wanted to put it on a tree. You could just strap it to a tree. So a lot of different options for setup. I've been playing around with this app and I don't know how well this is going to pick it up. Doesn't really matter, but I'll just tell you, this thing is pretty neat what it can do. So I can tap into here at any time, obviously, and watch the live feed. I can make the camera pan around to see a different view. So I knew you could do that kind of stuff. Obviously, it sends me notifications if something walks in front of the camera, but there's so many different settings. You can share the camera with somebody else if you want somebody else to watch it. Obviously, you can download the video and save it. You can even time lapse. So if you're like, sometimes we get cool sunsets here, I can set that to time lapse and catch a cool sunset. Or if I'm working here, I can time lapse. So you guys are going to be seeing footage from this for sure, besides the security purposes. But you can even set it so much as to track people, to track vehicles, to track animals, you know, so it's smart. It's not just a trail camera. It will actually track and follow, you know, different objects as they come in front of it. And you can set up all the parameters. You can pick a certain area in its field of view. Like if there's an area that you're constantly walking back and forth and you don't want to be picked up 100 times, you can exclude that area from its pickup zone. I'm just scratching the surface on all the features, and I tell you guys this in the past, I know you don't believe me, I'm really not a tech guy. I'm not that tech savvy, but anybody can set this up and it is pretty neat. So I can talk about it all day. Let's see if we can trick this thing. All right, so we're hiding over here in front of the mill with a tree between us and the camera so it doesn't pick us up. Let's just take a little mosey on there in front of the camera, you know, like we're a customer pulling in, or, you know, a two-legged rat in the middle of the night, see what happens. Well, we made it. Wait for it. Oh, there we go. Person is detected from driveway. Now I can go into that and see exactly what's going on. Pretty neat. So a few other really neat features, and I can't really show you this because I tried and I'm too close to the camera. There's too many microphones. It just creates a giant feedback loop. But there's a speaker on that and it's pretty loud. So I can pull up the camera, and if it's somebody that's supposed to be here, I can tell them, hey, I'll be there in 5 minutes, hang tight. Or for somebody that's not supposed to be here, I can tell them, hey, what are you doing here? There's a spotlight, which is pretty bright. Once again, you can pan around to see at night. And there's also a siren, which is pretty loud and intimidating. So really has a lot of features. And like I said, I haven't dug into everything yet, but I am thoroughly impressed by this. This is a pretty neat system. I think it's going to work perfect for me. I'm actually already thinking about maybe adding some more different areas. This is my most central point where everybody pulls into. So for me, this is the common sense place to put this. You don't really get anywhere here without coming by this, but you know, I could even see one putting one in the shop. You know, it's peace of mind. You can know what's going on. You got footage that is documented. You know, somebody can think they're smart and destroy that camera. Well, it's recording in real time, so it's coming right to me. I have it. It's not like the footage is on the camera. So yeah, you could destroy the camera, but I still got you. So, you know, a lot of valuable stuff around here. You guys have been watching the channel. You know, there's a lot of tools and equipment. So that is cheap peace of mind for me. So, plus, if you have a YouTube channel, it's probably going to capture some neat footage at some point. So you'll be seeing more footage from that thing, I'm sure. As I mentioned, I've partnered with Reolink. I have a link in the description of this video. If you're interested in this camera, click on the link. It'll take you there. You help me out by doing that. Hopefully it's a product you can use. You know, I don't try to sell you guys much, but this one I thought was a no-brainer. I know there's a lot of you out there that this is something you can use. And honestly, it's extremely reasonably priced for what it is. So go check it out. Hope you liked it. Something a little bit different today, but I'll catch you guys on the next one.